Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my first ever unboxing of the Love Goodly box. So Love Goodly is, let me get to the description. It is non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan. You get 4 to 5 products. I have signed up for the VIP, so that means I think I get an extra product every month. The VIP bi-monthly subscription, so it comes every month, is $48.95, whereas the regular box without the extra item is $34.95. So this is one of the more expensive ones, but then again, it only comes bi-monthly, so maybe that means it'll have more interesting or exclusive things. I'm not sure, because I have never gotten this one before. I will say though, I love that the tape has hearts on it. I just think that's precious. So before we dig into that, I do want to let you know that I threw on the Medusa's Makeup Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the color Boogie Nights. And this is what it looks like. To me, this just looks like a My Lips but better kind of color. Even though it's got sparkles, on camera it doesn't seem to be too sparkly, and it just gives the lips a little warmth. So I'm really liking this gloss, quite a fan, and that is that. So let's go ahead and dig into this box and see what comes in this. I'm really excited. I have been looking for another box to add into the rotation, and I am excited to have found one. There's another one I'm looking at, but we'll see how it goes with, gosh, how many boxes do I have already? I do Medusa's Makeup, Petite Four, Vegan Cuts, and Kinder. So this is our 4th box. That's not bad. So here is the little card. It's got sort of a botanical theme on it. And it says save 15% on any shop purchase. Use promo code LOVESHOP2021. And I guess this box is supporting Farm Sanctuary, which I also love that they support charities like that. And then on a separate card, it tells you about your VIP item. They accidentally included 2 cards in mine, so I'm just gonna set that one to the side. So they use paper worms to cushion everything. I'm just going to dig in and we'll start with whatever item I find first, because they're all sort of buried in here. So the first item is from Ballet in Provence. So it's made in France. It's the Ultimate Conditioner, all hair types, solid conditioner with coconut oil and provitamin B5. So here's what that looks like, the packaging. And let's see what the bar itself looks like. A little crumbly piece. It smells nice. Very lightly scented, but it does smell nice. And here's what it looks like, just a circular sort of bar soap look, except it's conditioner. I'm very curious to see how this works. Typically, I have to be very, very picky with the type of conditioner I use because my hair is very, very particular. It needs to be thick, but it needs to spread well. It needs to be super moisturizing. So I'm curious as to how this will work, but let me read you the description of this item. This is a $10.50 value. From your request, we've curated a solid conditioner from Ballet in Provence to pair with the amazing solid shampoo bar from the February-March box. So that's kind of cool. Following up with a item that will go with the previous. I like that. Says you can visit the shop to see the more shampoo bars. Enriched with cocoa butter, coconut oil, and provitamin B5, ingredients known to detangle hair, soothe the scalp, and add shine and protect your strands. With lime oil to leave strands shiny, smooth, and fragrant. Detangles like a charm, non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, sustainable. So I'm actually really excited. I've never used a conditioner bar, and I'm super interested to see how this actually works out for me. Being that my hair is thicker, curlier, drier, and more particular in its needs, I am very excited. So far so good. That's pretty cool. Let's see, let's feel around for the next item. Now this, I believe, is our VIP item. It is from Glamonizers. It is the Damn Body Oil, and this is a $35 value. Custom poured and sized for Love Goodly, so that means they don't really do sizes like this, which is kind of cool that they got a custom item. This premium body oil is a game changer, a vegan, chemical-free, out-of-the-shower body oil that wraps your skin in rich antioxidants and sweet essential oils. Replace your moisturizer with a product that has benefits that keep on giving, infused with raspberry and pomegranate seed oil for maximum antioxidant boost. Added sea buckthorn oil provides vitamin benefits and protects the skin. All the oils, high in great omegas, bind moisture and provide hydration with their essential fatty acid complex. With tantalizing essential oils, orange ylang-ylang, sandalwood, frankincense, non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, female founded and made in the USA. So that's pretty cool. I will say, out the shower, I don't love the dropper format for body oils, but it does look like the full size actually comes with a pump. So that's more practical. I understand the dropper for the sake of it being a sample. So let's give it a smell. It does smell really nice, and I'm excited to use this. This is something I will probably use. Now, if I'm buying stuff for my body for myself, with the exception of a few really good smelling products, I do tend to try and go fragrance free. But when I get stuff in these boxes, I don't really care if it has fragrance. I just put it on my body. Even if it's meant for the face, if it's got fragrance in it, I just use it on my body. So I am very excited about this damn body oil. I think that's a fun name. So far we're 2 for 2, and I'm very excited. Next item is from Orgamix. Is that Orgamix? Yes, that's what it's called. It is a custom lip and cheek gelée tint, which retails for $21. So these are all really like nicely priced. It does say here on the card that everything's over $75 in value. So it looks like there are 3 different colors you could have gotten. Bunny Snuggles, Bunny Whispers, and Bunny Kisses. Those are cute names. And I got Bunny Snuggles. So excited to collab with Orgamix on these lush custom tints. Oh, so it's a collab. I love that. Bunny Snuggles, Bunny Kisses, and Bunny Whispers, a 100% natural, non-toxic tint formula that delivers a pop of color to lips and cheeks. The long-lasting, multitasking lip and cheek gelée combines natural colors, softening moisturizers, and nourishing minerals with sweet orange essential oil. I don't love putting orange oil on my face, so that part kind of turns me off a little. For a burst of anti-aging and hydrating properties, the smooth, easily blendable formula adapts to complement all skin shades, non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, female-founded, and made in the USA. So that is a pretty cool combination of various things. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch and see how it looks. Here's how it looks in the tube, or jar. Oh, if you have to be very gentle to the touch with this. It is very emollient. That's beautiful. Oh my god, that color is amazing. And it's kind of a blush and a highlight in one, so you wouldn't need to highlight. You could just use this one product. I think that's gorgeous. I'm very excited about this, and I love the texture. It seems like it's gonna smooth over the skin really nicely and not mess with your foundation products below. So I'm very excited about that. The next item in our box, just looking at it, doesn't really excite me. This is from Goth Jewelry Design. It is a zero-waste necklace or charm necklace with Amazonite, and it's a $29 value. So let's go ahead and open this up and check this out. So here is the necklace on a silver chain. I don't typically go for silver personally, and it's got like, I don't know if this is meant to be what this is meant to be, this little silver piece. To me it just looks like a washer you would use when assembling furniture, and then a little black tie, and then I guess this is the Amazonite. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in the little jewelry sack because I think this is awful tacky. I am going to probably list this on my Poshmark for sale in case it is more someone else's style, then they can get it and have it. But that to me is not very cute, personally. Sorry, not super jazzed about that item, but let me read to you about it. It says, Got Jewelry Designs Zero Waste Project upcycles scuba equipment parts into ocean-loving, eco-conscious jewelry. So I guess those two little washer things were from scuba gear. I don't know, it's kind of strange. Recycling and upcycling are two ways to have a positive impact on our planet. As a leader in the dive community, Sylvia Ga, the designer, was inspired to reuse discarded scuba parts. She repurposes these normally discarded bits to create pieces for zero waste. The necklace is on a 16-inch chain and features Amazonite, called the Stone of Courage and the Stone of Truth, which provides the freedom to express one's thoughts and feelings. Handmade with love in California, vegan, handmade, recycled, sustainable, female found it, and made in the USA. Now, I will say the stone that I got is like white with gray marbling. The stone in this picture looks minty green, so I don't know what's going on with that. But this is not something I would wear. I don't find this attractive personally. That's obviously very subjective. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. If you think this is cute, hit up my Poshmark. I'll give you a good deal. It's just not my style at all. So that is a miss for me. So far, the first three items I've liked. This necklace I'm not very into. And I think we have one more product hiding in the paper worms. And it's all wrapped up. So let me go ahead and get this open. Okay, so this is from Measurable Difference, and it is their lactic acid skin renewal facial serum. Plumps the skin, helps reduce signs of aging and spots. That's an ounce of product. I like the simple labeling. Let's go ahead and read a little bit about it. This is a vegan lactic acid skin renewal serum for $14.99. Effective in gently and naturally buffing away dead skin cells that dull down the complexion. It evens out skin tones. Light exfoliant can be the light exfoliant. Why can't I read? Maybe it's because it's a rainy day. I don't know. It's a light exfoliant and can lighten scars and pigmentation patches. Vegan and cruelty-free, lab certified. The exfoliation properties of lactic acid work wonders on skin brightness as well as signs of early aging, helping to soften and smooth the appearance of fine lines or depressions on the surface of the skin, while also lifting away any sun damage or pigmented skin cells. The instructions are to pump a few drops into the palm of your hand, rub the serum with your fingertips to warm up the serum before rubbing onto the face. Non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, made in the USA. So that's pretty cool. Now, obviously, I'm all about the ingredients. And it seems like the ingredients are okay. So I think this is something I will use, and I'm very pleased to try. It's got a really viscous, thicker viscous kind of vibe to the liquid in there, and I'm excited to try this. So overall, this box, 4 out of 5. I ain't mad about that. And these are all really nice, like, quality seeming products. So I'm pretty jazzed about Love Goodly. I'm excited to see what comes in the next month. Well, not next month, but next 2 months box. So, pretty pleased. Very excited. Love Goodly, you done did good. You did good, kid. I mean, the necklace is a little strange. I don't want to wear scuba gear around my neck, like old scuba gear parts. That's not my vibe. Also, and this really has no bearing on the value of the box, but I'm going to mention it because I mentioned it in my Medusa's makeup unboxing. But this is a good size box for sending out products. If you ever use your boxes to sell Poshmark items like I do, this is a really solid size box and it's cute. So I'm pretty pleased with this. Overall, very happy with Love Goodly. Can't wait to see what they come out with next time. And I think it's definitely something I'd recommend, at least from this box alone. I would probably recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later.